Hello guys, hope everyone is doing good. Yesterday I was just like on another channel watching the Matrix movie review, then got inspired to show you this trick, which is an amazing one. Let's get started. Now go to the start button, click on it and open your Notepad software. As you can see, I've already prepared myself with all the colors on the right hand side for you to see how it works. So type Light Aqua. Let me zoom it a little bit for you people to see it clearly. Okay, let me use the keyboard shortcut. Space off, enter, color, space 2, enter, colon, start, enter, echo, percentage, random, percentage. Let me copy just random a couple of times, paste it a couple of times too. Okay, I think it's good. Type go to, then type on start. Save your file with any name you want. I will save mine as matrix.bat, so you can give any name, but it should end with .bat. Like mine is matrix.bat. Then click on save. Then go to the directory where you have your saved file and open it. Yeah, you see, all the numbers are just dripping down like rain. Cool trick to do this kind of matrix file, but I don't like the black space, that empty black space all around there. I need to modify it. Let me add some couple of randoms again to see how it works. Oops. Yeah, copy, paste. Open again. Yeah, there's still another space. I still don't like it. Still space. I don't know why it doesn't want to fill the terminal completely. I should copy again. But I guess you've understood how it works. So it's just a couple of random numbers that you're adding and all that stuff. Now, it looks great. But once you start shrinking the windows, it's another story. Okay, we can also use another hacks, which are the color hacks. That's why I just prepared all these colors things on the right hand side of the screen with my sticky note. It's just to show you that you can modify the color of your text or the background of your terminal using these keys. So as we've chosen like light red, see how it works. Light red is just a C, letter C. So type color with the letter C, it will print everything in the light red. So if you want to use a background and a font color, the first is for the background and the second is for the font color. So let us test this code. Where is it? Wow. Okay, great. Like you see, the background has been changed to like a bright white, and we have our light red color being the font color. So I guess you've understood how it works. Now let me explain. This echo will just like turn off the directory so that it should not show the directory. So the echo is just like turning off the directory. Color, you've understood how it works. The start is just to start the code that comes immediately after it, like this echo, which is going to start. And the go to is just like a loop, which will be looping through this start. If we remove a go to, you see it will execute only once and opens another window. Since start will just open another windows. That's what start does. If you execute again, the same thing. So there is no looping, no code dripping. So close, and let us bring back the go to into our code and save. So there is also another trick with start, which can be modified with another thing called zo2. zo2 is the same as start, so it does the same thing. So if you modify your start with zo2, it still does the same thing. It's a really cool trick. So let us get back our color to green and a black background. Save, and our cool trick is thumbs up. Don't forget to press the thumbs up because this video is amazing. Okay, by the way, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed watching the video. If you like, press the like button, subscribe, share, comment, and see you next time in the future tutorials of mine. Okay, bye bye.